underground metro system of a similar length that Munich has. There are more people living in Hamburg than in Munich. And when you compare the ridership, you see that there is, per person, there are double the amount of trips done per year in Munich than in Hamburg. And you can wonder, why could that happen? Hamburg has this underground system, Munich has it, so it should be similar. Well, in Hamburg it's much more easy to go by car. It's much more easy to go even directly into the center by car than it is in Munich. They have a good chance that they can go by a rail system, that they can go either by underground or by the tram. And so that is certainly one reason for it. Another reason is that the tram is accessing also central areas of the city. So that you have, psychologically, the more changes you have to make within public transport, the less likely you're going to use it. So you can easily say that when you have to change, maybe from the bus to the underground or from the bus to the tram or whatever, then already you're losing easily 30% of the passengers, if not more. And with the tram, you have already, for most tram lines, access to the central areas of the city.